Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to digital coding class. I am Muhammad Shahid Islam. Today I teach you an important lesson: transform sentence in voice sense. Part 1. At first, you have to know about kinds of voice. Basically, there are two kinds of voice. One, active voice. As for example, he reads the novel. Number two, passive voice. The novel is read by him. Mentionable that only transitive verb can be changed into passive voice. It is universal truth that transitive verb always changed into passive voice, but intransitive verb also can be changed into passive voice by condition. Without condition, intransitive verb never be changed into passive voice. Okay. Shortcut. Transitive verb means verb plus object. The verb take an object, that is transitive verb. Intransitive verb, it does not take object and it take adverb or punctuation marks. Full stop, note of exclamation, interrogation, etc. Without knowing it, we cannot change voice. Voice sense has some technical rules. You have to know about the rules and that rules maintain the voice changing. Subject turn into object. Always active voice subject, in passive voice that object, and active voice object turn into subject in passive voice. Third, according to tense, be verb plus past participle form of verb. Then subject, how to change subject to object. Here I mention a chart. Subject, object. When in active voice, subject I, it turn into passive voice me. When active voice subject we or we all, then it turn into passive voice object us, object all or us. When in active voice subject they or they all, it turn into passive voice object them, object all or them. In active voice subject you, in passive voice it turn into object you. In active voice when we see subject he, in passive voice it turn into object him. Active voice subject she, in passive voice it object her, and active voice subject it, passive voice also it, and naming word not be changed. When any kinds of name of nouns in active voice, when we change in passive voice, it never be changed. Naming word not be changed. According to the tense, be verb plus past participle verb. When we turn an active voice into passive voice, we have always structure of the rules. Present indefinite tense, that structure subject plus verb plus extension. And it occurred be verb and is R plus V3. That means past participle form of verb. Present continuous tense. Structure of continuous tense, subject plus MSR plus verb plus ing plus extension. When we turn in passive voice, we have to change be verb dash dash. That means object subject plus be verb and MSR plus being. Always you say that in when there is a word adding in, then we have to use being plus V3. That means past participle of verb. Thirdly, past perfect tense. Present perfect tense subject plus have object has plus B3 plus extension. Then we have to say in passive voice extension plus have been object has been plus B3 plus extension so other. That is present tense. In according to the same rules, past indefinite tense. Past indefinite tense subject plus B2 माने past verb past form. B2 माने verb past form extension. In passive voice we have used to object subject plus was were plus B3 plus by extension. Past continuous tense subject plus was were plus verb plus ing plus extension. Then we have to use in passive voice object subject plus was were plus being plus B3 plus extension and so on. Past perfect tense same do subject plus have plus B3 plus extension. In passive voice we have to use object subject plus had been plus B3 plus extension. In future tense always subject after subject use shall or will plus be1 the verb present form and plus extension. Then when we turn in passive voice we shall have to use object subject plus shall be object will be plus B3 plus extension so other. Future continuous tense subject plus shall be object will be plus be1 plus ing plus extension. When we turn in passive voice we have to use object subject plus shall be object will be being plus B3 and so other. Future perfect tense subject plus shall object will plus have plus B3 plus extension. When we turn in passive voice we have to use subject object subject plus shall object will have plus B3 and so other. Last one modal auxiliary that can, could, may, might, etc. When we see some modals, then we have to use object subject plus that modals plus B. Always that modals 1 plus B plus B3 plus extension. Structure of the voice sense. When we change the voice active to passive, then we have to use some structure. In active voices, object turn into subject in passive voice. So according to tense, the verb plus B3 plus extension so other. 3 preposition by, with, at, etc. so other. In active voices, subject turn into passive voice object. For example, we all miss him. We all miss him most. Then it is active voice. In passive voice, he turned into him turned into he, and it is present indefinite tense. The verb is miss B3 missed most. We all turn into all of us. That is, he is missed most of all us. Second, active voice, I meet you yesterday. You turn into passive voice subject, that is past indefinite tense. The verb used where? Meet, B3, meet. Preposition by, I turned into me yesterday. That is why I can say that. Thank you.